In Formula One, milliseconds matter. Precision isn't just a goal, it's the foundation. We've lived the race week pressure. We have expertise from leading Formula One teams in-house, where performance is pushed to the edge, and every decision must count. That mindset now fuels Cam Assist, a system powered by AI, its engine trained to generate toolpaths with consistency, control, and speed. It reads the part like a circuit map, tooling, material, geometry, all analyzed in moments. The result? High-performance code delivered fast, so programmers can focus where it matters most: advanced strategy, complex geometry, and production excellence. Cam Assist isn't the driver, it's the tuned engine under the hood, helping you hit every apex, run tighter laps, and finish ahead. Cam Assist from Cloud NC, accelerated by AI.